With prolonged use, small fabric particles and dust can get stuck in the feed dogs. If not cleaned, the feed dogs may move lower, causing skipped stitches or fabric getting stuck. Let's learn how to clean jammed feed dogs and restore a smooth, perfect stitch. To clean the feed dogs, first open the needle plate. You'll notice a buildup of lint clogging the feed dogs. Use a brush to clean it thoroughly. For a smooth stitching experience, make sure to clean the feed dogs regularly, about every 2 weeks. Reattach the needle plate firmly and enjoy a smooth, seamless stitching experience with your Singer machine.